Welcome back to Offroad Anjali. This is Anjali and I hope you all are doing well. As you know, Ontario is really big. I was finding some place to camp and I found this beautiful trail and so many campsites here. The nearest town is, I guess, Huntsville or Gravenhurst. I guess you can see so many flies and I'm getting mad now. It is getting me annoyed. Um, I don't know if I can do my cooking and everything outside, so I'm gonna set up my tent and do my cooking inside of it. So let's start. Whenever I camp, I do some kind of activity, and today is the turn of bubble wand. This is so much fun. When I have nothing to do, I play with my drone and explore the surroundings. How beautiful, it's so bright up there. And look what I found, a small lake near me. Though I don't think it's reachable, hope I could go there. It's been around 3 hours and I'm still playing with bubbles. It's really addictive. I think last I played with bubble wand was when I was 8 years old. Never got a chance after that. But today I'm loving this. I'm preparing coals so I can cook potatoes on it, and I'm gonna make potato sandwiches for dinner. And also there is one more thing which you do not know probably, that's called besan ka chilla and it's made of chickpeas flour. I have put potatoes on coal and will wait for about 30 to 35 minutes. Until then, I'm gonna prepare paste for chilla. I have set up my little kitchen here. It's totally worth it. Well, I have done my dinner, but I'm not feeling sleepy, so I'm going to explore this trail and going to do a night run. So let's see what we can find here.
Try to organize my mind while the world falls behind. Slow waltz around the sun. Every year reveals a change. Looking back now, feeling strange. We all learn to be someone. What happens next? What happens next? Won't pretend to know. What happens next? I heard you say to love is to let go. Turning out the light again while I wrestle what's within. Looking out for a friend. What's the one rule we forgot? Say the story or the plot. Something new is over